I would say the capability to connect to external devices, like not only screens, but external devices such as like the Aviation, the Avionics. There is the iFlight EFB, so you can display like your traffic, so you don't have to spend like a lot of money on a certified ADS-B in, but you can display like your traffic on your Aviation.
I would say one of the underrated features is that the iLevil 3AW is North Sea approved. So
Yes.
you can install it in a certified airplane, use it as your ADS-B receiver, and back up like AHRS and GPS and everything that the iLevil does, and show the ADS-B weather and traffic in your like Aviation or your certified avionics without having to spend thousands of dollars on an ADS-B receiver, basically. So
Yeah.
I think that's a huge one.
It is a huge one. Another one that I would think of is the capability to connect to an autopilot.
Yes.
Other than our autopilot.
So the AW does not drive your autopilot, but autopilots can follow a flight plan from navigation apps. So the iLevil can act as a gateway from your navigation app. The waypoints are sent to the iLevil, and then the iLevil converts it into a RS-232 stream to your TruTrak autopilot or Trio autopilot, and then that's how you can now follow a flight plan from an iPad wirelessly, and you don't have to have a Garmin radio or whatever on your panel. You can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say also the iLevil AW, one of the underrated features is that this is meant to be installed like behind the panel.
Yeah.
It's an ADS-B receiver and EFI solution that does not have to be obstructing the view of the pilot.
Yeah, or have it like somewhere around.
It takes in 12 volts, so you just wire it to the airplane power, and you can turn on and off remotely. And yeah, I would say that's an
So in an emergency situation, let's say you lose power on your airplane, you can always turn the switch on the iLevil, since normally you just feed in power to it, but if you lose power, then you can just switch it to the battery mode, and then you still have a complete backup system. Your iPad's supposed to have battery as well, so or your phone, anything that any smartphone device that you have with you, then you can make safe decisions to come back to land.